Hi, we're here at Mobile World Congress and I'm joined by Edwin from NXP. Edwin, good to see you.
Hi,
so
nice
I'm wondering
to
if you could tell me a bit about the work that NXP are doing.
Okay, so in NXP software we make speech and sensing software. So we believe that devices, they can get much more smarter than they are today. And devices should help you in bringing people closer to you and also help you in your day-to-day things. So what you do by daily day. And today the devices don't help you really. I mean, you can call with them, but they don't really support your day-to-day activities. And we believe that your device should really help you, be a companion and help you in what you try to achieve, so you can focus on what is really important.
And looking at the next 12 months for your business, what are going to be your key priorities? What highlights could you tell us about?
So we believe the device will get smarter, of course. So smartphones will get smarter. There will be more sensors in the smartphones, and all the data needs to be used somehow. And so our software is taking all the sensor data and making something meaningful of that. Another trend we see is that there will be more wearable devices, and these wearable devices also have all kinds of sensors. They connect to smartphones and bring even more data, and that all needs to be interpreted and made into something meaningful for the consumers. Because in the end, that's what it's about, that consumers can use the device in a good way.
And we're obviously at one of the big mobile industry trade events of the year. What are the key messages you think that the trade should be listening to at the minute?
Well, I think today the smartphones are not really usable yet. Also, if you see this, the smart watches, the wearable devices, they're very techy, and so there's not many people thinking about the consumers. Mm-hmm. In the end, it's all consumers that need to use the devices, and they're not very friendly. So the smart watches, they look ugly and they're not very friendly to use. The smartphones, you still need to talk to the devices. They're not interpreting what you're actually doing, but you really need to talk to them. And so we believe that the interface with these devices should get more human. And so if the interfaces get more human, the devices get more human as well, and then they can better work with you on what you want to achieve.
Excellent, thank you very much. And now we're going to have a look at some of the products that NXP are working on.